In our project, let's do some cleanup before we proceed. If you notice, we already have app component here. Inside the blocks and root folder, we have HTML, TypeScript and style related files for the app component. Therefore, let's identify all the duplicate app components file in our application, and notice we have these three files duplicate. So let's get them deleted so that we will have one app component.ts and its related file inside the block module. Next, we already have a material module inside the shared module folder. Therefore, let's delete the duplicate material module as well. Next, we have not used the home component so far and in the future also. So therefore, let's get this home component also be deleted from here. Next, we will go to the app module and check our imports. So notice here core module is imported incorrectly. So if you see, it is imported now from the Flex layout. Rather, we should import it from our own core module. So let's delete this import and select the correct import from our core module and fix it. As per our requirement for this session, let's do global HTTP error handling in our client-side Angular app. So question is, how would you do in your Angular app such that you catch every HTTP calls error? So once an error is caught, then show them to the user. Well, this is a big interview question nowadays. So therefore, note my answer now so you do not forget. So you should use HTTP interceptors service. So HTTP interceptor service in your Angular application will allow you to run your function when any time some error is coming. So it is just like a decorator service that you would have used in your AngularJS in order to catch any global Angular error. So in this service, we will check if error occurred in HTTP call, then we will use Angular Material Snack module to show the error to the UI. So let's go ahead and create a core interceptor folder and create a service called HTTP error interceptor service. And in case you are interested to download the source code, slide and step-by-step guide, then make sure you do subscribe to the Elite or the Pro plan in Full Stack Master. And run the application again, and notice our application is showing an error message correctly. So we are done with the HTTP error handling. So next we will fix the problem where when user refreshes after logging, when he refreshes the web application, then he should be remain logged in, and we will do that in the future upcoming videos. So see you there. Thank you. Hi viewers, it's me Rupesh, and I appreciate that you want to learn Mean.js seriously. So I want to congratulate you first for your determination. If you want to learn more from me, I highly encourage you to enroll my JavaScript courses in Full Stack Master School. You can watch this entire course and many JavaScript in-depth courses as many times as you want. You can watch your favorite courses online or offline, mobile iOS app and Android phone for on-the-go learning. The course comes with plenty of hands-on coding and many interview questions answered with practical industry standard solutions. In case you are interested, the link is in the video description below. Have a great day, and I am very excited to teach you in Full Stack Master School. See you there.